here this stainless steel garlic press. This is a different design, and I've been recently trying this out because I typically have used this old one right here where the garlic always gets stuck in here, and no matter what, I always end up losing the piece that goes on this side and in the dishwasher somewhere, and I end up with this, and I'm always fighting to get the garlic residue out of there. So I love this concept. This is just fantastic. It's stainless steel, so it won't rust. You can put it in the dishwasher, or you can just rinse it off very easily. It comes with a little brush if you want to use a little brush, but I just rinse it off and then it's done. And I also love this little peeler right here. So this little peeler, believe it or not, works really well. So you just stick your garlic in there and just do a quick turn, and then it's grabbing that peel off the top very easily for you. And thank you to the company for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. And this is how you use it. You're just gonna press right on top of the garlic, and it smashes it, and then you just take a little knife, I take a knife, and just kind of scoop it off from the underneath, and now you have crushed garlic.